No! So I'm talking about. Alright. That rim was actually bent from an accident, which prompted me to go with the larger wheels because I did a little research and I found that I went on Bent Rider actually, and a bunch of guys told me that this would improve the twitchy steering that I've been experiencing, and it would roll faster, roll better, easier. So, oh shoot, watch out, bub. This thing's gonna fly off. Alright, come on, baby. You've been working really well with me. Come on now. I wonder if I should lubricate this. Maybe I gotta give it a little gentle persuasion with some wood. I don't want to use anything to damage it. This little tapping might not hurt, huh? Improvise. Alright. And that's doing nothing. Oh, I see why. This is out of alignment. Now, why would that be? Very strange. Well, let's see if I have anything handy that would... Oh, I do, actually. Hold on. Yes, I do. A bag of tricks. Come on, baby. Alright, that looks pretty close. Let's see if it'll go on now. Ah, darn it. No bueno. Okay, this is going to take a little convincing. Very minor adjustments to get it lined up. Just off a little bit there for some reason. Oh, I think we got it. Houston, I think we had it. Yes! Ooh, and I just encountered another problem. Alright, the steering bar, I think, has to be moved. No, maybe not. No, absolutely it does. Right, that's not even all the way in. Alright. Well, hopefully that's a quick fix. Let's see. Let's see. Ah, dummy. That's what I want. I guess I can do the finer adjustment later. Just have that like that for now until I get the rest of this figured out. Okay. All right. Back in action. Woohoo! Right. That is bloody awesome. Where's that nut? Should open my own bike shop. That's getting a little cocky. I realize that, but you know. This one relatively, see, I shouldn't have said that because something's going to go wrong. I just jinxed myself. What were you thinking, Pete? What were you thinking? All right. It's too tight. Son of a gun. See? I shouldn't have said it. I'm very superstitious. Yeah, there we go. This needs a little bit of loosening. So we get it free wheeling. Can't tighten this down too much. That seems pretty good. That seems really good. Okay. Whew. That could have been ugly. Okay. Now everything's in reverse. Good job, bub. Good boy. Look at that beautiful dog. Is that a beauty? Are you a beauty? Bubba. Bubba. Who's a good boy? Yes, he is. Got to get him in that damn trailer. If anybody's got any ideas on how to do that. And I've tried treats. Bags and bags of treats. He might be playing me for the fool. You know? Getting me to continue to throw treats in. Because he knows full well how to do what I'm asking him to do. He just wants more treats. And he's milking it. That's what I'm thinking. He's very advanced for his age. Very smart. Alright, now. Come on, baby. Somebody's playing some blues. I can hear it. Sounds pretty good. Now, wait a minute. Why aren't these lining up? Wouldn't they be the same size? I mean, wouldn't that make sense? Seems like it would make sense to me. It's got to be the same size. Why would they do that? That makes no sense. Alright, there we go. There we go. I panicked again, but no need. No need. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Just gotta get one started. Oh man, this is gonna be... I spoke too soon. But you know what? I'm very patient. Oh, I see. This might help too if I swing it up like that. That might make a big difference. Whoops. Here, stay with me, buddy. Son of a gun. Oh God, this is not as easy as it looked. Easier taking it off. Once I get it started, I should be alright. How did I think that was blues? It's Bob Marley. I'm losing it. Alright. These guys are probably smoking the ganj. Come on. Coming in, coming in, coming in from the cold. Lord in the heaven above, help me. Hit me. Okay. Alright, let's sit back. Let's relax. You know what? Maybe what I'm doing wrong is this. Where is that star wrench? I just had an idea that might help me resolve this impasse. There it is. Instead of my stubby little fingers. Aha! Please. I thought it was going. Yes! Alright. That solved the problem. Using the old brain. See, if I'd been smoking ganja, I never would have figured this out. And believe me, I used to. I'm surprised I can still figure things out. Alright. Now, 1 down, 4 or 5 to go. Something like that. All right. The silence is deafening, but I don't know what else to say, except I don't want to say anything positive yet because I'll jinx it again. So let's just say it's just a complete disaster. Nothing's been going right, okay, until the last one is in. So man, this is terrible. Nothing's gone well. It's a disaster, an unmitigated disaster. And yeah, so we're gonna run with that. All right, bub? Where you at, bub? Good boy. So mellow. Pit bulls, by the way, are the best dogs. I've had other breeds. I rescued this guy in California, and I'm an emotional cripple when I'm not around him. And you might think I'm kidding, but I'll tell you what, we're very codependent, me and him and I, him and me. All right, there's the last two. There's the last two. It's my groovy prosthetic. Thing's pretty badass. I can run. Well, if my legs were stronger, I could run, but I'm a little lazy. I haven't done a lot of the physical therapy that I should have done since I lost my leg in 2012. How'd you lose it, Pete? Well, I'll tell you. It was a blood clot. A deep vein thrombosis. Can you believe it? I never knew that could happen until it happened to me. Now I know it can happen. And now I take Coumadin for the rest of my life. But you know what? That's okay. Because my life's good. In fact, it's better than when I had 2 legs, believe it or not. I'm not going to get into the details, but suffice to say that my life's going pretty darn well. Alright, and there's the last one. Alright, there you have it, folks. My first complete mounting, changing out, and putting on a new wheel on my KMX trike. Pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Very proud of myself. So I still have to do that one, but unless I'm going to film it, but I'm not going to bore you. You probably already bored you with this one. So unless something goes terribly wrong, which might be funny, because I'll get frustrated, I'm not going to, show you it, but I will keep filming. All right, folks. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.